Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a simple chain, flower or coaster. It's very simple and easy to make. I'm using a 3-ply cotton yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook for this project. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook, which is basically a loose slip knot. So to start your first row, make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn and then pull through first 2 loops and then through second 2 loops to make a double crochet 2. Again repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 3, double crochet 4. Now complete 16 double crochet stitches including chain 3. After completing 16 double crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn to form a ring. Now go into the top of chain 3 and leave this yarn. Take another color yarn and make a slip stitch. We are going to make our second row with the help of this yarn. So make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. After making chain 3, skip this second double crochet stitch after chain 3. Go into the third double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch here. Now again make chain 3, skip one stitch, go into the second stitch and make a slip stitch. Again make chain 3, skip one stitch, go into the next and make a slip stitch. So this is very simple and easy pattern. Repeat this pattern till the end. Now go into this first chain 3 and make your last slip stitch. Now take the first color yarn again. Don't cut off the yarn and change the yarn color again and again for next row. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and chain 4. Pull the first yarn. After making chain 4, go into this slip stitch here and pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now again make chain 4, go into the next slip stitch and make a slip stitch here. Again make chain 4, go into the next slip stitch and make a slip stitch. So repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing your row, again pull the second color yarn and tie the first color yarn and make chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After making chain 5, make a slip stitch, again make chain 5, go into the next slip stitch and make a slip stitch, again make chain 5, and make a slip stitch. So this is very simple and easy pattern. Repeat this row till the end. Now again take second color yarn, pull the first color yarn, and now make chain 6 for this row. We are going to add one chain in every row. Now again chain 6. After completing chain 6, go into the next slip stitch and make a slip stitch. Now again make chain 6. Go into the next slip stitch and make a slip stitch. Now repeat this pattern till the end of the row, and you can add as many number of rows as you want, but you have to increase chain 1 in every row, as we have taken 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10. As many rows as you want you can make. So friends, I have completed my flower. Now pull the extra yarn and cut it off. Now simply weave this extra yarn with the help of needle. Don't weave your extra yarn to your chain petal. Weave your extra yarn to these loops of the row, and then after weaving it, cut your extra yarn. So our flower is ready. I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 rows with chain petals. You can add or remove rows according to the size you want for your flower. If you like this simple and beginner friendly flower, please try it in different crochet projects. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.